What's going on, friends? I'm moving on to Christmas earlier this year because I want to make sure to bring you a lot of videos and content on time and give you guys a lot of ideas for your Christmas decor, as a lot of you have been requesting. Today we will be vlogging a Christmas tree, and this is an affordable way to make your tree look more expensive and full. Here is the look before we get to transform our tree. Besides the tree, the items that you will need are paper towel, obviously wear gloves because this is very dusty, and a face mask. Here is the tree finish, and I feel like it totally changed. It went from blah to wow, and I absolutely love it. I'm sure you guys do too. Leave me your comments down below with your thoughts on this DIY. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more videos. I will start decorating this weekend for Christmas. And let me know in the comments below, did you start your Christmas decorating, or is your mind spinning right now? This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!